In this video, we will see the similarities and the difference between hash map and hash table. Hash map and hash table are the implementation classes for map interface. Hash map and hash table both stores the data in the form of key value pairs. This hash map and hash table uses hashing technique to store the key value pairs. How the elements will be stored in the hash map and hash table is by using hashing technique. This hash map and hash table does not maintain any order of its elements. Then how the elements will be ordered? Based on the hash code of the keys. So as we know, every member of Java Collection Framework implements a clonable and serializable. The same way, HashMap also implementing clonable and serializable interfaces, and this HashMap implementing map interface also. So this hash table is implementing clonable and serializable interfaces. These are all the common properties between hash map and hash table. Now we will see the main differences between hash map and hash table. Synchronized. No method is synchronized in hash map. Every method is synchronized in hash table. If you see here, we are seeing the properties for hash map. Java p java.util.hashmap. When you are running this command, it is giving all the properties related to this hash map. So if you see here, size method, public int size, public boolean is empty, public we get, put all, remove, clear, contains value, key set. So these are all values, entry set. All methods are there. There is no method is specified by using synchronized keyword. So all the methods in the hash map is not synchronized. If you see here, all methods of hash table is synchronized. For every method in front of the method, we are able to see synchronized keyword. Size is empty, keys, elements, contains key, get, put, remove. All the methods of this hash table is synchronized. No method is synchronized in hash map. Every method is synchronized in hash table. Thread safe. Multiple threads can operate simultaneously, hence it is not thread safe. So if you have map object m and multiple threads can able to access them at a simultaneously, so thread safety won't be there. Multiple threads cannot operate simultaneously. So hash table, every method is synchronized. So one thread is working on one method, the another thread cannot able to access that method until the thread 1 completes its execution. So only one thread can able to execute at a time, so thread safety will be there. So performance, relatively performance is high because multiple threads can able to access at a time, so performance wise it will be good. Hash table, relatively performance is low because only one thread can able to execute at a time. So if another thread wants to execute, they have to wait until the thread 1 completes its execution. So hash table performance wise slow. Null acceptance. Null is allowed for both key and values. Hash map will allow null key and null value. So many null values can be there. Only one null key will be there because hash map won't allow duplicate keys. So it will allow one null key and many null values. In hash table, null concept is not there. That is, null is not allowed for both key and values. If we try to add null as a key or value, we will get a null pointer exception. And this hash map is introduced in 1.2 version, and this hash table is introduced in 1.0 version. So hash table is a kind of legacy one. So how we can able to traverse or iterate the hash map objects? By using iterator, we can able to traverse the hash map object. How we will get iterator? That key set method, values method, entry set method will return a collection object. So by using that we can able to use this iterator. So if you want to traverse the map object, hash map object, we will use iterator. If you want to traverse the hash table objects, it will return iterator and enumeration. By using iterator and enumeration, two different ways we can happily traverse into this hash table. And the default initial capacity, for hash map is 16 and the default initial capacity for hash table is 11. So when you create a hash map object by using default constructor, the default capacity is 16. If we create a hash table by using default constructor, that time the default capacity is 11. So these are all the main differences between hash map and hash table. This is all about this video. Thanks for watching.